Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I picked up a ton of Pat McGrath palettes and stuff. So I'm going to be reviewing these, and since they are the pink ones, I thought this would be a great thing to do a Valentine's Day look with. And I have a ton of requests for Valentine's Day looks. So if you don't know me, my name is London. I post new videos like this one every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So please subscribe to my channel if you like these types of videos. These are my very first Pat McGrath palette. I've never had any Pat McGrath palettes before. I haven't really tried anything. These are pretty much my first Pat McGrath products. When I was looking at these, I need to know y'all's opinion. So I was deciding between getting two big ones, and I wasn't gonna get the small ones. But then I realized that the big ones, this says Mothership 3 Subversive. Subversive. I don't know how to say that, but you can see it right there. And then this one says Mothership Subversive. I don't know how to say that word, but they both say the same thing, and they both have the same packaging. So I was like, well, I figure that these kind of go along with each other. So if you already have this palette, this one kind of corresponds with it. I don't know. I've never heard anyone point that out. Not a lot of people have Pat McGrath palettes, so maybe this is something that isn't talked about. Let me know what you think. Has anyone else heard of this before? Another thing that I got was I got two of the Loess Glosses. These two. I got the shade Astral, Moonflower, and Earth Angel. I thought these were pretty cool. I know I don't need any more lip products, but I was looking at these and I was like, well, these are really cool. And they look really pretty and glittery, and look at them. Cheese Louise, right, people? But I'm gonna be trying both of these out. Wow, I wish I could like catch this. This one's like purple, blue, gold. Like, the more I move it around, the more it like kind of changes colors. I don't know if it's gonna be able to pick up on the camera. And then this one is like gold peach, and then like a little bit of like a green antique gold color. I really hope this is picking up on camera because these are so freaking cool. I was about to buy all of them, but I was like, no, these are really expensive. You shouldn't do that. But I was initially just gonna get the Astral Moonflower. I was originally just gonna get this one, and I was like, well, I kind of want one just like throw in my purse because they smell amazing. I don't know what this smells like. It reminds me of like MAC lip gloss. Like, it smells really similar to like a MAC or NARS lip gloss. Like, kind of like fancy lip gloss, but still kind of like a vanilla type of smell. I'm gonna get into the small Pat McGrath palette. Fold this side over, and then you fold this side over, and then you got shade names. I'm gonna turn the mirror here. So you got the shade names here. There's Pale Fire, Purple Rain, Gold Nectar, Paranormal, Rose Risque, and Euphoria. And then out of the big mama palette, you just undo the little thing. I'm sure you guys have seen this little thing before. And you open it up and you pop the palette out of there. And I never really noticed, but the shade names are actually on this little piece of paper that are underneath the palette. And of course we got the gold brick kind of thing. You open her up. Lordy, why did I do this to myself? So going from this top row, we have Extreme Black, Lazarus, Black Metal, which is that metallic one, Blitz Amethyst, Astral, Ghost Orchid, and then BR Pink, Gigabyte, Deep Shade, Night Creature, and Skin Show Fever. And I am going to swatch these for you guys, and I have played with just this one a little bit, so not really a first impressions, but I wanted to kind of see what's going on so I don't butcher anything with this video. I'm gonna do some quick swatches, indoor and outdoor per usual that I do, and we'll get into the Valentine's Day look. So I'm first going to be showing you the smaller Subversive palette, and from left to right we have Pale Fire, Purple Rain, Gold Nectar, Paranormal, Rose Risque, and Euphoria is at the very end, that purple. These are absolutely amazing. I will say the metallics definitely shine more than the mattes, though I have played with the mattes and they perform really well. They just don't swatch the best. And then lastly, with the big Mothership palette, from top to bottom, left to right, we have Skin Show Fever, Night Creature, Deep Shade, Gigabyte, VR Pink, Extreme Black, Lazarus, Black Metal, Blitz Amethyst, and Astral Ghost Orchid. And before we get into the tutorial, I will say that you can notice a difference with everything. Like, for example, the glittery shades over here, they definitely feel like a glitter. The mattes feel almost like a velvet almost, and then the metallic shades feel the softest. They feel more like a normal eyeshadow, but you can notice that they do have more of a different feel to them than traditional eyeshadows. For the first shade, I'm going to take the Pale Fire, which is that lighter pink color. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone. That is amazing. Wabam. That looks so cool. Next, I'm going to take a couple of matte shades, and I really want to like have a pretty blown out dramatic eyeshadow look. So I'm first going to take Paranormal, which is that, I don't know, I haven't tried it on my eyes yet. Let me see. I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush and start off, oh yeah, like a plummy berry color. I'm just gonna start it on my outer corner here. Now, I've never tried any Natasha Denona eyeshadows, so I can't say who I like more. I definitely do like these so far. They are a pretty easy formula to work with. I know some people say that it's just the colors that you're buying into and the name and the art, but I don't know, just looking at it as an eyeshadow palette, I do really like how these are performing. For the price though, I don't know, I'm a little torn on the price of these. I've had my eye on these for a very long time, but the price is just ridiculous. And then with a different eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna take that same Paranormal shade, and I'm just gonna carry this under my lash line, making it pretty smoky. This isn't gonna be a very wearable look. I just want it like really smoky, blown out, alien-esque. And then with another brush, I'm going to take the middle shade Rose Risque, that pink one there, and kind of go right over where we put Paranormal. Oh yeah, that was such a great idea. That is stunning. That is so, look at the difference. Oh, this shade is so pretty. I'm just gonna cover my existence with it. This eye is giving me trouble today. I feel like I don't know how to work on this eye today, which is odd because normally I'm pretty good with this eye and I'm not really good with this eye. Kind of weirding me out. And I'm only gonna take this pink to the edge here. I haven't really decided what I want to do with the lower lash line. I kind of want to go in with this Purple Rain down here, and I kind of want to put this on with my finger, this smack dab in the middle of my eyelid. The shade is so pretty. That is a one-of-a-kind purple right there. I don't think I've ever had a shimmery purple like this. Ugh, I'm torn on what to do next. I think I'm gonna go into the bigger palette now. I'm gonna take Gigabyte and put this on my inner corner, I think. Oh wow. Ooh, we're gonna get a little bit more. That is a cool shade. Oh my gosh. Now I am wetting my brush with the super glittery shades because I don't want them to fall out onto my face. So just so you know, this is with a wet brush. And I think I want to go over the two of those shades with Blitz Amethyst. And I think I'm going to wet my brush again because this one is glittery as well. Oh my god. What are these shades? These are so freaking cool. I'm so blown away by these colors. I just did a super basic eye look the other day with this. I didn't really jump right into it. I'm pretty impressed. Now I think I want to add a little bit of depth in this look. So I want to try out the black shade that's in the big palette that's called Extreme Black, and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit. I think I just want to kind of dust it into this outer corner here. I'm getting so messy on this outer corner here. Just ignore that. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Purple Rain on this eye because I feel like I lost it a little bit with blending that black eyeshadow. This is not with a wet brush, by the way, or my finger, so you can kind of see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that VR pink. I'm gonna put this right under my lash line and kind of be a little messy with it. I'm gonna take Night Creature and I'm gonna put this, let's see, I'm gonna put Night Creature over here. Oh yeah, that looks really cool because it still has that metallic in there. So it deepens up the lash line, connects it with the lower and the upper. And then I'm gonna take that kind of iridescent Astral Ghost Orchid glittery shade and I'm gonna wet this. I tried to use this the other day and I wasn't super impressed by it with it being dry. Yeah, it's still really subtle, but it's cool. With a somewhat clean brush, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Gigabyte shade and just gonna kind of blend that out a little bit more. I think I'm gonna take just a teeny bit of that black metal shade and I'm gonna take it with a wet brush. I'm gonna see what this looks like on my lash line. I don't know if I would call this black. It kind of blends right into that other shade I have going on. I first want to clean up a little bit of the eyeshadow, so I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer in the Fenty Beauty concealer brush and I'm just gonna make a little bit of a sharper edge there. This eye is not my eye today. I don't know what the heck is going on with it. You guys didn't tell me I had a bunch of purple fallout right there. I don't have any on this eye. Oh, and it's on my nose too. Oh, well, I got rid of some of that fallout, but I think I'm gonna take a little break on the eyes right now. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on. I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit. I might actually take this Rose Risque shade as a blush. I'm just gonna dip a little bit. I know I said in my last video that I'm not, or what was it? It was my video over the Charlotte Tilbury makeup that I'm not a blush person, but this eyeshadow as a blush, holy moly, that looks really cool. And I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna take that light shade that I put on my inner corner. It's called Astral Ghost Orchid. And I'm gonna pick a little bit on my brush and I'm gonna spray my brush. Oh yeah, that looks so cool. I feel like an alien creature and I like it. What to do with my brow? I kind of just want, I think for my brows, I kind of just want to do just brow gel. I think I'm just going to take a little bit of brow powder. I think I'm just going to take a little bit right underneath my brows. And I'm going to take the Colourpop BFF mascara. And I think I'm going to not put mascara on my lower lashes because I'm kind of liking the way that that looks. So for lips, I'm going to take the Astral Moonflower lip gloss. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This is so gorgeous. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Earth Angel on the center of that. Oh, I'm going to swatch these for you guys so you can see. Here is Earth Angel and this one is the Astral Moonflower. These are so stunning. I love how this looks. Let me just put that out there. I think this eye look looks super cool. I like the way my brows look. I like how there's nothing but like pink glitter underneath it. I will be doing more videos with the Pat McGrath stuff because it's a lot of money. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to do another video with just this palette and another video with the bigger palette and some more Valentine's Day looks. I would wear this to Valentine's Day. My boyfriend knows I'd wear this if we went out for Valentine's Day, but oh, look at this glitter explosion on my eyeballs. I love this. Is it worth the money? Yes. It's just something about like getting the palette and you're like, I own a Pat McGrath palette. You know, it's like when I was in middle school, like everyone wanted like a MAC lipstick and like a MAC lipstick was like, oh my gosh, you have a MAC lipstick. And this is like, oh my gosh, I have a Pat McGrath palette. So I'm happy about it. If you want more videos with these, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.